Hello dear sports betting friend! In this video, I will teach you how to convert decimal odds into American odds. Let's do an example in the NBA. Let's say that the money line on the Minnesota Timberwolves is 1.20 versus 5.00 on the Golden State Warriors. What do these decimal odds correspond to in terms of American odds? The first thing you need to know is that the suitable formula depends on whether the decimal odds are greater or smaller than 2.0. For this reason, let's break this video down into two parts. I'm Professor MJ, holder of a PhD in statistics and bookie crusher since 1999. Let's get the ball rolling! Section number 1 reveals how to convert a betting line in decimal odds that's bigger or equal to 2.0 into the American format. Let's start by taking a look at the relevant formula before going back to the NBA example. Here's how it goes. The American odds are equal to 100 multiplied by the decimal odds minus 100. Remember that this formula works only if the decimal line is greater or equal to 2.0. In the prior example, Golden State's money line was set at 5.00. Let's plug this number in the formula I just shared with you. So, 100 times 5.0 minus 100 equals 400. If you take a look at the corresponding betting lines in American format in our NBA matchup, you can see that the odds on the Warriors to win the game were, indeed, fixed at plus 400. Let's move on to section number 2, where we cover the case of decimal odds that are smaller than 2.0, which you still want to convert into the American format. I invite you to check out the following appropriate formula in this situation. Minus 100 divided by the decimal odds minus 1. Let's go back to the NBA example. The formula I just presented applies to decimal odds which are lower than 2.0. So let's focus on Minnesota's money line, which was set at 1.20. Alright, so it's time to do the math. Minus 100 divided by 1.20 minus 1. That equals to minus 100 divided by 0.20, which yields our final answer of minus 500. You can see on your screen that the odds on the Timberwolves to win straight up, shown in American format, were in fact minus 500. There you go! You are now able to convert decimal odds into American odds. If you wish to learn how to do the opposite operation, which means going from a betting line presented in American format to convert it into the decimal format, please take a look at the video I posted showing you the details. Just click the small card appearing at the bottom of your screen right now. My name is Professor MJ from Quebec City in Canada. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I invite you to smash the subscribe button in order to get free picks in the NFL, the NBA, the NHL, Major League Baseball, and a few other leagues. Cheers, my friend!